Hello my people, welcome back to my page. So today I want us to answer WACE objective question 2026. You understand? So let's tackle it together. Alright, so the first one we have here, they said matter particles are dash. A. Protons. B. Neutrons. Helium nuclide. Electrons. When we are talking about beta particles, they are electrons. Right. Then number 2 says 1 kilometer is larger than 1 millimeter by dash. 1 kilometer is larger than 1 millimeter by dash. It said A 10 million times. B 1 million times. C 10,000 times. D 1,000 times. Now, when I'm talking about conversion of from kilogram to millimeter, so it goes like this: 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer will give us 1,000 1,000 meters, right? Now, 1 meter will give me 1,000. So this is 1,000 meters. So 1 meter will give me 1,000 millimeter. That you say that from 1 kilometer now to 1 millimeter, right? So 1,000 times, now say 1,000 times 1,000, right? So I'll be having 10 million. We're having 1 million millimeter. So the correct answer for this question is what? 1 million times. So the option is option B. Right. So the next number 2 question says, what is the following? Which of the following properties is not correct about photon? They dash have zero mass. B possess the speed of light. C they are in continuous motion. D they have mass at rest. If you're talking about photons have zero rest mass. Zero rest mass. Meaning that they have their mass at rest is what? Is zero. So they have their mass, that means that their mass at rest is incorrect. So they said which of the following is not correct? So the one that is not correct is what? They have mass at rest. They don't have mass. Are you with me? Their mass at rest is zero. So that means they don't have mass at rest. Are you with me? So the answer is the correct one. The one that is not correct here is that they have mass at rest. So D is the what? Right answer. All right. Number 4. Number 4 says gravitational field intensity is dash. Gravitational field intensity is dash. A. Scalar quantity. B. Greatest at the poles. I. Scalar quantity. I. Greatest at the pole. I. Zero at the center of the earth. Now I said, which of these statements above is correct? Is it A, I and I. B, I and I. C, I and I. D, I and I. So if you are talking about gravitational force, gravitational field intensity, right? It has to do with scalar quantity. Scalar quantity must be there. Are you with me? Scalar quantity and zero at center of gravity. Zero at the center of gravity. So the one that is correct is this one. So it's I and I. So the one that is correct with this is option B. Right. So number 5 question says the temperature differences of 1 Kelvin is equivalent to dash 1 degree Celsius, 1 degrees Fahrenheit, 273 degrees Celsius, 273 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 Kelvin, talking about Kelvin, temperature differences. So we have 1 Kelvin. 1 Kelvin should be equivalent to 1 degree Celsius. All right. So the correct answer here is option A. Now, number 6 question. In an electrolyte cells, electric current enters and leaves the cells through dash. They enter and leaves the cells through dash. Ions, electrode, electrolyte, ions. We're talking about entering and leaving of electrode. The correct answer is option B, electrode. All right. Number 7. This one says a weight, a weightlifter lifts a weight of 2,000 Newton. If he holds the weight above his heat, what forms of heat does the weight have? Wow. Okay. Kinetic energy, elastic potential energy, electric potential energy, gravitational potential energy. When we're talking about above weight, we're talking about gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy. Okay. This one says all of the following constants are dimensional except dash. A. Planck's constant. B. Gravitational constant. C. Speed of light in a vacuum. D. Refractive index of glass. Now, if you're talking about all this, all of them have dimension. All of them has a dimension, except refractive index of glass. This one is not they don't have a dimension of refractive index of glass. So this one is one that is not correct. All right. Thank you for watching.